a lot of the industries that we're talking about that could utilize robotics as a service, particularly when we're talking about indoor locations, if you think about the material handling industry or manufacturing or whatever it may be, a lot of those industries are undergoing massive amounts of change at the moment. And change can come from changing a business model, but it's also from increases in demand and the need to handle levels of scale that they didn't have before. And when organizations and businesses in different markets undergo that type of change, the leadership at those companies looks for new solutions, looks for new ways to go and tackle those problems, and they analyze their business and say, how can we become more efficient? How can we move our investments around to make sure that we're investing in the things that really contribute to our bottom line? And robotics as a service is a new option for that. It's a new type of solution that maybe they haven't thought about before. And rentals isn't something new per se for vehicle utilization in these spaces. That's been happening for a long time. But things like autonomous vehicles are new technology packages that sit on top of those that are new to these businesses and their leaders. And so talking about robotics as a service as a new way to kind of think about how you use your vehicles is an interesting new option for some of these organizations that are undergoing kind of stress and change in the times that we're in today. So I think a big reason why it's starting to pick up is because everyone's looking for a new option and a new way to handle what's happening in the world today. And even if we see fluctuations up and down, people are realizing that that's here to stay. Changes in these industries are here to stay, and so you need to become more resilient. And robotics as a service offers that type of solution, and it's a new, interesting way to implement new technology, which people are always looking to do.